one of the things that I read on your website, and I'm going off memory, so you might need to clarify it, but something that you said about everything about your success is your failures, and the reason why I love that is because you're absolutely right. When you go out and become an entrepreneur, there are so many failures that lead to the success that if you don't love what you do, you're going to just quit, because who loves to do something they don't do and fail at it over and over? Did I get that quote kind of right?
Yeah, I travel a lot. Either working at events, seminar events, or speaking, or even just with my family travels.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm amazed at how more people don't talk about how much they've failed. Either, I don't know, maybe they're embarrassed by it or what, but that's like where, you really kind of understand yourself as a person. I think it kind of shows you the pathway to your future. I think that, your failures, and again, this is a cliche that people say a lot, but how many people actually do this and take action on this? Yeah, I've failed like so many times, it's not even funny. And I think that you get, every time I failed, I was like, for a moment, I was like, this is terrible. This sucks. I'm gonna give up. I'm the worst person on the planet. And for me anyway, it takes just a little bit of time to kind of regain my thoughts. And you kind of do forensics on what happened. And it's in those forensics that what actually happened here? What were the scientific decisions that I made that was a reaction from those decisions, and I get a product or a result? What were the steps that I took that I shouldn't have taken?
Right.
That's the forensics that go into that, and that's where you learn. Like, once you do that, you'll never do that again.
Right.
And I know you said you have the nightmare story segment coming up, so I've got a story for that. But you learn, I'll never do that again. And sometimes it puts you behind. It puts you back a little bit. And, it's hard as it may sound, you just have to kind of understand the process and enjoy it, and then take your action step from there. That's the hardest part. It's not finishing, it's starting after you make a mistake. Can you get off the canvas floor when you get knocked out? Can you do things like that? Think about about every book that you read.
Yes.
Our lives are a book, and if you want to read a really good book or watch a really good movie, there's drama, there's negativity, there's mistakes, there's like life-changing, jarring moments. And when you're watching that movie and you're reading that book, your emotions get so tied into that, and you're like, oh my God, what's going to happen here? And you're heightened, your senses are heightened, you're looking forward to what's happening next because you're watching the movie. If you're in the movie, your emotions are changed even further. You're like, I'm not going to move. This just happened to me. I'm not going to move. I'm not going to take any action. So when you do make a mistake, make sure that you tell yourself you're just watching the movie or you're just reading the book. You're not in the book.
Yeah.
And that's a big thing for me, at least, that it seems to help when I do make a mistake, little or big, that I can say, hey, listen, I'm just reading this book. I'm just watching this movie.
Right.
We're not actually in it, even though our minds are telling us we are. So hopefully that helps.
Absolutely. Ironically, you talked about you failed a ton. I failed a ton. And it actually really helped me get immune to failure. You already know this, John, but for the listeners, I was an aspiring actor for approximately 17 years in New York City, and I auditioned a lot, and I didn't get the roles a lot. And, eventually you get immune to not getting called back, and before you know it, you're just going out there and just trying, because you're no longer afraid of failure. You failed so many times, and to be honest, that was probably some of the best foundation to me becoming an entrepreneur, is having that 17 years of acting background. I did get some opportunities and some gigs and some working jobs that, paid okay, but the most part is I failed most of my acting career, and it really helped once I became an entrepreneur, because it was very normal at that point for me to not always be successful. So yeah, that's what that when I read your quote, everything about your success is in regards to your failures, it just really resonated with me. I really loved it. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Yoshi Shraki, the host of the real estate show, Utah Home Sweet Home, which airs every Saturday morning from 9 to 10 a.m. on K-Talk Radio 1640 a.m. I'm also the host of the show, $1 Million Home Sweet Home, where we tour $1 million homes right here in this beautiful state of Utah. I'm also a real estate agent, a real estate investor, I fix and flip houses, and I'm also a national public speaker. And on this channel, we're gonna talk everything real estate as well as everything Utah, because this beautiful state has a lot to offer. And if you're looking to get to know more about real estate and real estate investing, or just purchasing your very first owner-occupied home, you've come to the right place.